What's happening? Hey, my name is Brian, and today I'm going to show you the easiest way to make money online with ChatGPT and AI and go high level. And you can start making, $500 to $1,000 a day on sales on products you don't even have to fulfill yourself. And the best part is, I have nothing to sell you. In fact, I'm going to give you a bunch of free stuff. I have a free course to give you, and there's actually a free 30-day trial you can do if you want. So we also give you a step-by-step checklist to go through to get trained and learn how to do this, and learn what we're doing to make money online. We show you through ChatGPT, AI, like I said, go high level. We give you the checklist. We give you a complete course on showing you how to do everything. Plus we have a roadmap that shows you everything you need to do, and I'll show you that here in a second. So we have what's called our AI employee that just came out. Our AI employee actually answers the phone for small businesses. So that's just one thing that you can sell to make money online. We have our AI employee, our conversational AI, plus we have what's called missed call text back. We have automations, emails, websites, our calendar function, a whole bunch of other things. Plus we show you how to make money with affiliate marketing. So anyways, I'm going to show you the checklist, the roadmap, and go from there. So anyways, here's our roadmap. Actually, let's go here. Sorry about that. Okay, starting here. So every Monday at 1 o'clock Pacific time, we have a Zoom call where you can ask questions. You can learn from others and learn what we're doing to make money online. Then we have our Discord group. Our Discord, which is right here. This is Chase, our founder. He actually shows you, what we're doing to make money online. He gives you content to copy and paste. You can use it. Gives you content to copy and paste and use online. He does almost daily Zooms to show you what works and what's working for him. And you can basically just copy and paste and use it. So you got that. You got, we also let you use the testimonials. You can book a Zoom with me and I'll show you how to get started. I'll also give you some ideas so you can make money right away. In your first 30 days, you can start making, a couple $100 your first week if you want. We give you the latest, the funnel and websites that we're using. And then of course our websites. And this is our checklist, all the tools we use in our business. Like I use Go High Level, we all use Go High Level. We use Radar, MiniChat, Shinify, OBS. That's the system I'm using right now to actually record this video. And then of course we use Stripe to take payments from people and get paid. And then Pabbly, we use that for automations. And then this is what we suggest to do to get your first paying clients. We suggest you do 3 short form content every day and push it out there. 1 long form content video on like YouTube and push it out there daily. And then YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok would be your main 4 channels to post content on as you're getting started. And then you can branch out to the others like Facebook groups and Discord and X and all those other stuff. And then we give you emails that are pre-written. You can send out to people. You can send these out. You can help use them to basically get your first paying clients. Then we give you Instagram Reels to get attention to your Instagram and your channel and your social media. We give you that to basically, like I said, get people coming looking at you. And these are the counts. So we already have records of these working. So we give you that. We give you some long form content on YouTube, long form videos that you can use to recreate and put them on your own channels. Stick it on your own YouTube channel and you can use it to get your first paying clients. So then we give you Instagram images you can use, once again, to get your first paying clients and go from there. Instagram, we give you the counts, the like counts, all that stuff, so we know it works. And then we give you over 400 AI tools which you could use to get affiliate commissions on. You can use these to get money, make money online. So starting out, we use Go High Level. We use that. You can use that to get paid as well as an affiliate. And then Shinify, Radar, ConvertKit, we're using OBS, all that good stuff, Pictory, Jasper. And then here's some more AI tools that we use. I use these all the time in my business. For me, I've been using Go High Level for the last 3 years. I sign up businesses all the time, and they pay me month after month after month for using the service and using the products, all the integrations that we give them. Like I have a customer, actually several, that just use the website and the payment feature in there. But you can also sell the AI employee, and I'll show you that here in a second. So these are all the AI tools which you can use and you can resell. So I'm going to show you the course, and then I'll show you. So this is Alex here. This is actually our course that we give you. You can actually use to get started. And so we have categories here. We're showing you from the very beginning what to do. Account setup, automations, daily operations, implementation. We show you short form content, long form content, YouTube, Instagram, Reels, TikTok, all that good stuff. So let me show you about the AI employee. So this is Alex. It's going to be about 10 minutes here. But if you like what you're seeing so far, click the like, subscribe, and comment. Comment free course, and I'll send you the free course, which is right here. You can check it out and then decide if this is for you or not.
Congratulations, you made the sale, you reached out to a business, and you actually offered them the services. Now you're not paid yet, so you're not done. You need to implement what you told them you're going to implement, and you need to do it in a quick manner so that you can start getting them results as soon as possible. So what we're going to go over in this section is we're actually going to go over tutorials on how to set everything up, from the AI employee to mixed call text back and other stuff for the future. We are going to go over how to set this up step by step for businesses so that you can start setting them up and then impress these businesses so that they start paying you. So with that being said, I'm going to go set you up down below. So go to the next step, and I'll see you there.
All right. So once again, if you like what you see, click the like, comment, subscribe, and you can see more. I'll send you the free course, and you can go from there. You can see if this is something you want to do for yourself to make money online.
Okay, so by now you should have your first client, and now you're looking to fulfill the client with these different services. So I want to start off by introducing the AI employee / the AI agent. What you're going to do is you're going to go from your dashboard, you're going to go to settings, then you're going to go to AI agents, and this could be called AI employees in the future. And then you're going to have your AI agents here. Now, if you don't have one, you can hit create agent over here. What you're going to do is you're going to hit create agent, and it's going to give you a number. This really doesn't matter, so you can keep this the same, you can name it whatever you want. This is just for you. This is also for you, right? You should do probably the name of the business, right? John's Plumbing, for example. And then you can choose the voice that is going to talk on these calls. So what you're going to do is you can actually pick one of these calls, and then you can actually pick the direction you want to go. So right now we only have access to inbound call, meaning when somebody calls us, the AI robot comes in. But we will actually have the ability to send out these calls in the future, as you see right here. So what you're going to end up doing is you are going to then go down and see agent's initial message. So when somebody calls the phone, the robot is going to answer and say, hey, you've reached Shine5 Mini Account, how may I help you today? Now you might want to change this to the business name. So for example, we will change this to John's Plumbing, right, as an example. Hey, You've reached John's Plumbing, how can I help you today? And you can customize this however you want. You could say, hey, do you want to book an appointment, or do you need help with something? You have questions, right? I like to put in here, hey, this is an automated robot for John's Plumbing. I'm just here to see if you want to book an appointment or you want to get your questions answered. And that way, you can organize where they're going. You can have them, some of them go to calls and some of them go to links. And then you have some questions that are answered directly from the robot. So you can put the initial message here, and then you're going to hit next. And now you're going to come to agent goals. Now what this is telling the AI agent or AI employee what they're going to collect on the call. Because you got to realize, collecting this information is great because you can actually send them into workflows, and you can actually add them into your email list as well. So for these plumbing companies, when somebody calls about plumbing, or something like that, they're going to get added to the email list, and then they're going to send them marketing emails, which is great. So what information do we want to collect for this? We're going to want to collect a name, probably an email, probably the issue that they're calling about, and maybe we want even their address if we're like at a brick and mortar business and we are a service-based business where we want to go out to their address. Now, phone number isn't on here because they're calling, so it automatically puts the phone number in, so you don't have to worry about that. But that's basically it. So now the robot's going to go and it's going to collect the name, the email, the contact issue, and then we actually have to pick what the call is going to do. So down here, we can actually trigger a workflow when the call is completed, right? So this would send them through an email automation if we'd like. We could send the business owner a email about the information, so basically name, email, address, contact issue, and then we could contact them and call them back. But what I like to do is go to the advanced view. In this, now we can keep the prompt the same for this. In the next video, we're going to change this up for the advanced version. But for now, let's focus on the basics, right? You have call transfer, trigger workflow, update a contact field, or send SMS. For this, to keep it super simple, we can just do a call transfer, right? And then we can name this action whatever we want. Do a phone number to transfer to. So for example, we do my personal phone number. And then when should the call take place? And you would say every single time at the end of the call. Or if the caller asked this question, then transfer the call. If the caller asks for somebody, transfer the call. And then you have what to say before transferring the call. You can put, please wait while we transfer your call to the manager, right? And then it's going to transfer the call to whoever's number this is right here. So we're going to save this right after you put in all this information, and then it's going to be saved in here. But that is basically it for the basics, right? And right now I'm going to actually send it over to a demo so that you can actually see how this is going to turn out. And in the next one, I'm going to have an advanced version of this where I'm actually going to show you how to customize this like in an advanced way, and then I'm going to give you a difference, and I'm going to actually show you how the call turned out in the advanced version. So here's the example. Tune into the advanced after. Have a good one.
Hey, you have reached ShineBuy. How can I help you today?
Hey, I was just wondering where I can get all the free bonuses.
That's a great question. I'll make sure Alex addresses that when I connect you. Can I confirm your name and contact information first?
Yes, my name is Alex, and my phone number is 480-625-6556.
Thanks, Alex. I've got your number as 480-625-6556. Let me connect you.
So now, as you can see, it's calling me because that's the forwarding number where it's calling to. How cool is that? So it'll grab your contact information, it'll answer your questions, and then it will give a call back so that when the worker's done or somebody is actually near the phone, they can actually go ahead and pick up the phone and call them back right away.
All right, so once again, if you like what you see, click the like, subscribe, and comment below, free course, and I'll send this to you, and we'll help you get started. Also, the link below, click on the links below. You can try out the 30-day free trial and go from there. So once again, this is Go High Level. We show you several ways you can make money online as an affiliate marketer. As an affiliate marketer, you can sell this. You can sell this either as an affiliate, or you can sell accounts and make more money. So you can talk to me and I can show you how to do that. We have the conversational AI as well, which is basically does text messaging. The AI employee does phone conversations. Then we have what's called missed call text back. That's where it'll actually text someone. Let's say you called in a business and the business didn't answer. And you can call anybody, but let's just say it's a business. The business didn't answer. What's going to happen is the system is going to call. It's going to text the person back and start engaging them and getting them to leave their information, so the person, the business owner, can actually call them back when they have a free moment. So that's that. And there's multiple ways to make money with this. So you can do it. You can just use your creativity. We show you how. We give you the course. There's lots of ways. Anyways, if you like what you see, click on the links below. Give it a try. And see you on the other side. Talk to you soon. Thanks.